Smith, I just want to say I'm at work, so if the phone rings or someone knocks on the door, we're just kind of going to have to ignore it for right now. So, putting the face on for the presentation. Okay. Good afternoon, good night, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy to be here with you to talk about such a serious issue that is nationwide, and it's also within our community, unfortunately. I will now introduce myself. My name is Samantha CFD, and I will be the wonderful presenter that you will be listening to for the next 20 minutes or so, I hope. I also want to take a second to thank the Child Protective Services for allowing me to talk to you guys about such a serious issue that, like I said, it is nationwide and it is in our community. That topic relates to child abuse and neglect. The topic is the effects of domestic violence on children. And like I said, it's a very, very serious issue. This affects people every single day. It affects 3.3 million children every year. They're exposed to domestic violence, whether that be between a mom and a dad, or siblings, or a mom and a mom, or a dad and a dad. It's really anyone within the household that they live, that they are just exposed to this fighting that is uncontrollable, and it really affects their future. It affects their well-being. It affects the way that they grow up and how they feel about things. We will talk about that a little bit later. So what I want to kind of go over right now is how I'm going to first start off by showing you a short video. I will talk about a couple peer-reviewed journals that I found very interesting on the topic that gave us a lot of insight. And then I will talk about personal accounts. I grew up in a household that was full of domestic abuse, and I have grown up with several issues that are very near and dear to my heart. And it's just a little bit rough whenever you have to grow up in that kind of situation. So I'm very passionate about this subject because I have a lot of things to say. But like I said, this is a very serious issue, so I will start with the video. I will move my laptop over to the computer so that we can kind of see it that way, and just hope it works. Sometimes my computer keeps going in and out, but let's pray that it works.
On the 21st, 1991, time 22:13 hours. Will be a 911 call, position 3207. Standing emergency. Standing emergency. My mom and dad found me that fight. Is she getting hurt? Stop it! Send the police, please. Okay, we're going to be there. We're taking you.
When the whites of your eyes come through, you'll see something new. With your body and mind restored, it's good to see you back home. a turn. You've come back